How does climate affect arthritis symptoms? There are so many weather variables that affect arthritic pain levels that we need to start with climate factors and how a different climate might make a noticeable difference in your joint health. High humidity. High humidity climates create a lot of fatigue in arthritis sufferers. The thick, heavy, wet air can be difficult to move around in. Some studies have shown that those with rheumatoid arthritis and osteoarthritis are significantly affected by high humidity and damp weather, reporting increasing pain and flare-ups in this environment more than any other. It is also important to point out that you need more than hot summers and high temperatures. The average humidity is a more important factor to consider than just having a warm temperature. For example, tropical islands closer to the equator will be much warmer, but the increased humidity will offset any benefits from the temperature difference alone. Lower barometric pressure. Barometric pressure has a direct effect on our bodies and accentuates arthritis symptoms like pain and fatigue. When the barometric pressure of our environment drops, it creates tension between the pressure of the air and the pressures that move air and blood through our bodies. Low atmospheric pressure conflicts with our blood pressure, creating fatigue and drowsiness. It can also create headaches for many people in addition to joint pain. Why low air pressure makes joints hurt is not entirely clear, but it is a worldwide phenomenon. Some researchers believe that barometric pressure affects the viscosity of the fluid in the joints. Cold conditions. How does the ambient temperature influence our osteoarthritis pain? Our muscles and joints tend to tighten when exposed to the cold to retain as much body heat as possible. This is why cold days and low temperatures in the winter months can make your muscles and affected joints stiff, even if you don't have arthritis. But for many people with arthritis, the cold weather conditions of the winter season can be entirely unbearable. They might even think that their symptoms are getting worse when it's just the weather changes affecting the stiffness of their joints. Relief is often found in moving to a place with milder winters, the ideal warm, dry climates. Considering all of that information, it's evident that warm and dry weather is the best for people with arthritis. People who live in desert climates with sunny and less humid conditions report fewer flare-ups and less pain, including knee pain and hand pain, although it doesn't cure or reverse the disease altogether. This relief is probably because warm, dry climates don't have the humidity, barometric pressure, or cold conditions you need to look out for, and because it's much easier to stay active and maintain proper health in these better suited climates. It could also be the extra vitamin D you get in consistently warm weather, which helps improve bone health and longevity.